In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate an Airalo eSIM. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created a Google Doc on how to do this. So you first need to purchase an eSIM plan. So from there, you need to download the Airalo app either on your iOS or your Google Play Store, Android. And then sign up and then log in. So open the app, sign up or log into your existing account and browse and purchase a eSIM plan. So search for the eSIM plan you need based on the country or region. Purchase the plan using a credit card or PayPal. And then from there you need to install the eSIM. So open the Airalo app, go to the My eSIM section where you find your purchased eSIM and then follow the installation instructions. So choose between manual installation or scanning a QR code. So for automatic installations, tap the Install eSIM button in the app and follow the prompts. QR code installation, Airalo will email you a QR code on another device. Open the email and scan the QR code with your phone. Alternatively, if you're manually adding the eSIM, you can go to iPhone, go to settings, mobile data, add data plan and enter the details manually. For Android, go to settings, network and internet, mobile network, add carrier. Step 3, you need to activate the eSIM. So enable the eSIM. So once installed, enable the eSIM by going to your phone's mobile network settings and selecting the Airalo eSIM as the active data line. And then you need to restart your phone. So for the settings to take effect, simply restart your phone. Then once activated, you can start using the data as per the plan you purchased. Airalo eSIMs are typically activated instantly, but make sure you have an active internet connection, Wi-Fi when installing.